What is Excel? Excel is another software program included in the Microsoft Office suite. It is used to create spreadsheets, which are documents in which data is laid out in rows and columns, like a giant table. Due to extreme versatility and power, Excel has become one of the most used software programs in businesses worldwide since its launch in 1985. What can Excel be used for? Electronic spreadsheet programs were originally based on a paper spreadsheet used for accounting. As such, the basic layout of computerized spreadsheets is the same as the paper ones, where related data is stored in tables, which are a collection of small rectangular boxes called cells, which are organized into rows and columns. If we look here at our basic spreadsheet, okay, up here is our ribbon and our different tabs within the ribbon. We are going to be looking at these in depth throughout this Excel course that we're going to be doing. Over here, this section is our spreadsheet. Alright, a block here is called an active cell. So when we click in a cell, it is highlighted in this green box. This means that the cell is active. Over here is our reference, our cell reference, so this is B3. The other area we're going to be looking at is our formula bar. So for when we deal with functions and formulas, we're going to be looking at this cell or this block particularly. And we'll be looking at a few of the other tabs whilst dealing with that. Like in Microsoft Word, we have our File tab, which when we click on, takes us into the backstage, allowing us to accomplish everything and anything that we require. Now that you've got a basic understanding of the layout of Microsoft Excel, let's dive into the course.